everyone, and welcome to this video. My name is Hashim Al-Saadi. This video aims at developing your presentation skills by focusing on various aspects of the skill. But why presentation skills in particular? Well, to many students, giving a presentation is a rather frightening experience, as it's not so easy to stand in front of your classmates and give a presentation. Many of you are worried, or perhaps too worried, I should say, because there are so many things on your mind, such as, will I find enough information for my presentation? Will it be good enough? Will I be able to face the students and remember everything I have prepared to say? Will my PowerPoint slides and the computer work the way I expect them? What questions will my audience ask? And will I be able to answer them all? And of course, at the back of your mind, you are concerned about the grade you are going to get, and many other such worries. Now, the thing to remember is that everyone has these fears, even the best public speakers who are nervous to begin with. Now, let me tell you two effective techniques which will help you build unshakable confidence and so end up making effective presentations. Now, the first one, the moment you stand before your classmates and start talking, be positive. Now, focus on what you are saying and not on what might go wrong. Concentrate on the importance of the topic you are going to discuss in your presentation and the message you want to pass on to your audience. Now remember, while standing in front of your classmates, you represent an authority figure. So you know something which might be totally new to most of your classmates. Now these techniques should make you feel strong and forget about your fears. The second technique is to keep practicing the skill. No matter how difficult giving a presentation may appear at first, with practice, you will improve. This cannot be overemphasized. Practice, practice, and more practice. Remember the proverb, if at first you don't succeed, try and try again. The more frequently you give a presentation and stand in front of your classmates, the easier it will become. After a while, you will find that you are far more confident, not only in giving presentations, but also in other areas of your life. Giving a presentation usually involves three main stages: what you do before, during, and after the presentation. Firstly, before the presentation, you have to decide on a good, interesting topic for your presentation. Then you have to gather relevant information, organize it, and prepare suitable visual aids. Once this is done, you then need to practice your presentation until you know your topic very well. Make sure you have things in the right order, and your presentation does not exceed the time allowed. The second stage is what you do during the presentation, that is the delivery. Try to show confidence and maintain eye contact throughout your presentation. Talk to your audience, not to your visuals on the screen. And never give your back to your audience. After each presentation, it's a good idea to reflect on what you have done. Write down the weaknesses and the strengths and find out what you could do to improve your weak areas. There are a number of resources, useful resources such as books, articles, websites on making presentations and developing effective communication skills, which you could refer to and make use of in order to develop your presentation skills. These books and resources, videos, websites, indeed, are available with your language center teachers. They are all for you to borrow. So in this video, I hope to give you a clear picture of how presentations are organized, structured, and delivered. There are three parts of this video. First of all, you are going to watch a demonstration of the basic presentation steps. The second part contains 4 main units. In each unit, you are going to watch part of a presentation given by a student, more or less the same level as you are, and each part deals with a different aspect of making presentations, such as structure, organization, the language use, the use of visual aids, and delivery. After each unit, your teacher will ask you to discuss, analyze, and criticize the presenter's performance concerning that particular aspect. There is a worksheet in your handbook prepared for this discussion. Discuss with your classmates and then with your teacher the things that the students in the video did wrongly and what they should have done instead. Write your comments on the worksheet. I hope that by discussing and examining different aspects of delivering presentations, you will understand what to do and how when making a presentation, and in this way, improve your public speaking skills. The third part of the video contains a number of model presentations for you to learn from. I wish you all the best.